Load your family into the 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.